blessings of adorable God of this Maharashtra Lord Sri Vithala, with the infinite grace of Mauli Srimanta Sri Jnanobaraya, with the infinite grace of Jagadguru Tukobaraya, with the grace of Sadguru Gangagirji Maharaj, with the infinite grace of Sadguru Sri Narayan Girji Maharaj, I will try to present this English Kirtan in front of you. First of all, I put my head on the footstep of all these sons and I start my Kirtan. Incidentally with this event, before start the Kirtan, I give a small introduction. That is, in this Maharashtra, there is Ahmednagar district. In this Maharashtra, there is Ahmednagar district, and in this Ahmednagar district, there is Rahata city. In this Rahata city, there is a village Babadeshwar. And in this village, there is a high-tech Warkari Educational Society is present. Name of the society is Adhyatma Vidyan Shaishanik Shikshan Samstha Sadguru Narayan Girji Gurukul Babadeshwar. Here we can see the properly combination of spirituality. Spirituality means Adhyatma and science. Science means Vidya. Here we can see the properly combination of spirituality and science. The founder of this society, Guruvarya Haribhaktaparayan Navnathji Maharaj Mhaske, and the president or chairman of this society, Guruvarya Haribhaktaparayan Bhagwanji Maharaj Damade, they both are organized a Yuva Kirtan Mahotsav in this society, and they give me a chance to perform English Kirtan in this society, in this Yuva Kirtan Mahotsav. So, firstly, I give thanks to the both of founder of this society, Guruvarya Navnathji Maharaj Mhaske and Guruvarya Bhagwanji Maharaj Damade, president or chairman of this society. I also want to give thanks to the singer who are attending this Kirtan, Vaibhavji Maharaj Bharade, also Akshayji Maharaj Yele, Haribhaktaparayan Aditya Maharaj Admane. Also the thanks for the instrument player who are attending this Kirtan, harmonium player Haribhaktaparayan Tejasji Maharaj. Also the Mridanga player Haribhaktaparayan Mahesh Maharaj, Haribhaktaparayan Mirajji Maharaj. And a special thanks for a special person. And the special person is you, all of you listeners. I give a special thanks to all of you listeners, lots of listeners, and I start my Kirtan. Before start the Kirtan, I tell you a simple meaning of this Abhanga. Because on the base of simple meaning of this Abhanga, we have to construct the building of this Kirtan. So, listen carefully. In beginning of this session, I tell you a simple meaning. If you can got the simple meaning of this Abhanga, you can got Kirtan. Without got the simple meaning of this Abhanga, you can't ever got this Kirtan. So, listen carefully. The selected Abhanga of Jagadvandya, the resident of Dev, the son of Kanakai Bolobat, Jagadguru Srimanta Santa Sri Tukobaraj, is of 6 stanzas and tell us the 5 ways to get God. The Jagadguru Tukobaraj Abhanga, and in the Abhanga Jagadguru Tukobaraj tell us the 5 ways to get God. While speaking about the 5 ways to get God, Jagadguru Tukobaraj said that in the first charan, Jagadguru Tukobaraj says that if you want God, then you have to sing a song of God by emotional heart and pure mind. It is the first way to get God in Abhanga's first charan. In third charan of this Abhanga, Jagadguru Tukobaraj says the second way to get God. While saying about the second way to get God, Jagadguru Tukobaraj says that if you want God, then you have to avoid the entries of good point, good things and faults of other person in your mind. It is the second way to get God in Abhanga's third charan. In fourth charan of this Abhanga, Jagadguru Tukobaraj tells us the third way to get God. Jagadguru Tukobaraj says that if you want God, then you have to keep your head on the foot of all the sun, and it is the third way to get God in Abhanga's fourth charan. In the fifth charan of this Abhanga, Jagadguru Tukobaraj tells us the fourth way to get God. Jagadguru Tukobaraj says that if you want God, then while speaking, speak something that makes another person happy and you also get happiness. It is the fourth way to get God in Abhanga's fifth charan. And in last charan of this Abhanga, Jagadguru Tukobaraj tells us the fifth ways to get God. Jagadguru Tukobaraj says that if you want God, then in your life, even if you don't do much more philanthropy, but do a little one. Philanthropy means upkar. But do a little one philanthropy, and it is the fifth way to get God in Abhanga's sixth charan, in Abhanga's last charan. It is the simple meaning of this Abhanga. Means simply it is the headlines, it is the breaking news. The explanation of these headlines, this breaking news, we will see in next 1 hour. Vithala, 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 In beginning of this session, in beginning of this Kirtan, I tell you a most important thing. So listeners, listen with open ears. I tell you a most important thing, a very most important thing. That is, every soul in human body, every soul in human body is in dire need to get God. Means मानवी देहाला आलेल्या प्रत्येक जीवाला देव प्राप्तीची नितांत गरज आहे. विठ्ठल 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 Every soul in human body is in dire need to get God. But when we ask to someone that, do you want God? Do you want God? Then we can find the people who say, we don't want God. Not only that, but we can find the people who say no to God, and that people also born by God. Means in Marathi, आपण जर एखाद्याला विचारलं तुम्हाला देव पाहिजे का, तर आम्हाला देव नको म्हणणारी लोक तर सापडतातच, परंतु या सृष्टीमध्ये देवच नाही असं म्हणणारी लोक सुद्धा तुम्हाला आम्हाला पाहायला मिळतात, आणि ती लोक सुद्धा देवानेच जन्माला घातलेली आहे. Then when we ask to that person, why you are not believe on God, then they say there are two things, and because of that two things we have no belief on God. First thing is that God is can't seen by our eyes, or God is not seen, and second thing is that it doesn't suit to our intellect. Now I make an argument here, listen carefully. I make an argument. Everything that can seen by our eyes, that all are present, and everything that cannot seen by our eyes, that's all are absent. It's not possible. Now you can thought, Maharaj, we all have belief on God, and hence we are attending this kirtan. So why are you telling you this? I am telling you this because tomorrow any atheist means Nastik. Tomorrow any atheist ask you that question, then you have to give the perfect answer to that atheist, and hence I am telling you this about the God, presence of God. So listen carefully. My first thing is that all the things that seen by our eyes, that all things are present, it's not possible. For example, a couple living in a village, it's a story of long days ago. A couple is living in a village. In a village, a couple is living. The couple is having age 65, 70 years, and they never seen any film. At that time, at a day, a migrable cinema theater come in that house, come in that village. In that village, the couple is living. The couple thought to go to see the film. The name of that film is Lanka Dahan. The couple thought, before start the film, the couple goes and seated on their seat. The film was started. When the film started, Hanumantaraya burned the Ravan's Lanka. And when Hanumantaraya burned the Ravan's Lanka, all the viewers can see only fire on that screen. The couple also see only fire on that screen. The old couple scared. The old lady said to old man, the theater ignited, let's go home. When the lady say, let's go home, then the old man say, yes, we will go right now, but I forgot my lighter at home. I only light my video on that screen, and we will go right now. Now, told me that, can the old person light his video on that screen? Can the old person light his video on that screen? No. Then told me that, can we see fire? Yes, we can see fire. But is it? No, it is not present. Means that everything that all seen by our eyes, that all are present, it's not possible. Now, second thing is that all the things that cannot seen by our eyes, that all are not present, it's not possible. Now, take for example wind. Can we see wind? Can we see wind? No, we can't see. Then when we can see it? When we can see it, there is a philosophy of villagers, they have believe on a thing. There is a philosophy of villagers, they have believe on a thing. They say it in Marathi that hawa angat aali hai, and only there we can see it. Mainly the tree is moving, that means wind is present here. Tree is moving, that means wind is present here. But can we see wind? No. But is it present? Yes, it is present here. Means that all the things that cannot seen by our eyes, that all are not present, it's not possible. Now, still some people say it doesn't suit to our intellect. Now, hey listeners, how it can suit to their intellect? Because no matter how intelligent the person, no matter how intelligent the person, matter is that every intelligent person have limit to their intelligence, and their intelligence only can work in the border of their intelligence limit. The things that are outside to the border of their intelligence limit, that cannot accepted by their wisdom, and hence we can't believe on the God, because God is outside to the border of our intelligence. Now, can you answer my question? Can you? My question is that who invented the plane? Correct answer, right Bandhu, right brothers invented the plane. When they are doing this experiment, some people say, what are you doing? Then the right brothers replied that we are inventing a machine. With help of that machine, the people can fly in sky. The person laughing or her, what is this nonsense? How it is possible? But it's the outside to the border of their intelligence, and they have no belief on that plane. I am telling you that thing before the 150 years ago, but before the 5,500 years ago, Ram Prabhu, after killing the Ravan, come back in Ayodhya only just in half hour in a plane. Do you know what's the name of that plane? Correct answer, Pushpak Viman is the name of that plane. I am only telling you that how great our ancient culture. Our ancient culture was very great. Vithala, 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 means we can find the people who say it doesn't suit to our intellect. Now take another example. When we go in a house and fan in that house is open, is off. Fan in that house is off. Then we can calculate the number of blades of that fan. Very easily. We can say the fan have 3 blades, the fan have 4 blades. We can calculate. But when the fan turn on, then we can't calculate the number of blades of that fan. Means that when the fan is off, then it is in the limit of our intelligence, and when the fan turn on, then it goes outside to the border of our intelligence, and hence we can't calculate the number of blades of that fan, and hence we can't calculate the number of blades of that fan. Now some people say it doesn't suit our intellect, and hence at a place Jagadguru Tukaram says that we have to, our wisdom have various colors. Our wisdom have various colors. Jagadguru Tukaram said
अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा, अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा, जनो जना पागल तिरंगा, जनो जना पागल तिरंगा, रोजा का संगा, रोजा का संगा, तब तो ये पादका अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा, अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा, तब तो ये पादका अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा, अनेक बुद्धि से तरंगा.
Taranga means waves. Like sea, our wisdom can't stop changing its waves. Take an example of sea. Can sea stop sea waves? Can sea stop sea waves? No. She can't stop sea waves anytime, anywhere. Like that, our wisdom can't stop changing its colors. For example, a person is seated side to sea. He is seated from morning. From morning 7 o'clock he is seated there. He only wear underwear. Nothing else than it. Only underwear. He is seated from morning to evening. At 11 o'clock the fisherman's group come there to catch fishes. At evening they complete their work and they go return to their house. At that time, people from fisherman group thought that the person is seated from morning. He is only wear underwear. Why you are seated here? Then the group go near to the person and ask, why are you seated here? The person replied, I want to do bath. Then the other person from fisherman's group say, it is a sea. There is lots of water. Then do your bath. The person see who is naked. They said that I am scared about these waves. I am worried about these waves. When the sea waves can stop, I will do my bath. Now told me that can the person complete his one bath in his one life? No, because sea waves can't stop. And because of this, Jagadguru Tukavraya said at a place that we have to avoid the accompanying with the person who makes an argument per time each time.
तार्किकांचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकांचा टाळा सांग, वाचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकांचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग. पांडुरंगा स्मरावो, पांडुरंगा स्मरावो, तार्किकांचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकांचा टाळा सांग. पांडुरंग स्मरावो, पांडुरंग स्मरावो, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग, तार्किकाचा टाळा सांग.
Now you can thought, Maharaj, how your Rishi Muni Sant can find the God? You can say our wisdom changing its color per time, it's make an argument per time. Then how our Rishi Muni Sant can find the God? They find the God because they knew and they feel the presence of God in her soul, in his soul, in her soul, and they share this feelingful knowledge about God with us. Now we can find the people who say we don't want God. Not only that, Jagadguru Tukavraya put the God in basket and Jagadguru Tukavraya take it on head. And Jagadguru Tukavraya is asking loudly to the word. Jagadguru Tukavraya saying that Deva gya koni, ayata ala ghara pusoni. Jagadguru Tukavraya saying Deva gya. But the people replies that Deva na lage, Deva na lage.
देव न लगे, 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 देव न लगे. साठवणीचे रुंदले धागे, साठवणीचे रुंदले धागे, देव न लगे, देव न लगे, देव न लगे, देव न लगे. साठवणीचे रुंदले धागे, साठवणीचे रुंदले धागे, देव न लगे, देव न लगे, न लगे, देव न लगे, देव न लगे.
Jagadguru Tukavraya is saying that, Jagadguru Tukavraya asking that, देव घ्या कोणी आयता आला घर पुसोनी. Jagadguru Tukavraya is saying, take God, take God, take God, take God. But the people replies that, देव न लगे, साठवणीचे रुंदले धागे. Means, we don't want God. Now, we can find the people who say, we don't want God. But, can we find the people who say, I don't want happiness, we don't want happiness? Can we find? No, we can't find the people who say we don't want happiness. Because Nath Maharaj said in his Bhagavad that मज लागे दुःख भावे ऐसे कुणी भावी ना जीवे न वंचिता दुःख पावे येने न संभवे स्वतंत्रता. Means no one wants to be miserable in my life, but they have to suffering from it. And hence today everyone is sad. But we only thought that all the people other than me, all the people except me, that are so happy. But everyone know about themselves. जो देखो सो दुखिया बाबा, जो देखो सो दुखिया बाबा, सुखिया कोई नहीं रे. Means today everyone is sad, but only people say out of loud, they say on face that we are happy. But really do you want to see? Then I give you a tip. Listen carefully. I give an tip to you. So anyone seated without any tension, any load, then go near to the person and say to that person, you are so lucky, you are so happy, there is only happiness in your life. Then when we say it, there is only happiness in your life, then the people replied immediately. Then what happened to you?
माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो, माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो, माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो. सुखा रूपाई साधू जागो ना जागा, माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो, माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो, माझा पांडुरंगा जारी काजो. सर्व सुखाचे आगर धनी मनेचा रंग धर, सुखाचे आगर धनी मनेचा रंग धर. सर्व सुखाचे आगर तो उभा विटेवर, सर्व सुखाचे आगर तो उभा विटेवर. सर्व सुखाचे आगर वापर कुमा देवीवर, सर्व सुखाचे आगर वापर कुमा देवीवर. तो विठ्ठल बरवा, तो माधव बरवा, तो विठ्ठल बरवा, तो माधव बरवा.
We are on a topic that everyone is sad. Then what is happiness? There Vaibhav Maharaj gives lots of pramana. They say सर्व सुखाचे आगर बाप रखुमा देवीवर, सर्व सुखाचे आगर तो हा उभा विटेवर. That means when we ask that person, when we ask that question to anyone, what is the happiness, what is exactly happiness, then our Santa says the happiness means God and the God means happiness. Means there is happiness in to getting God, means that there is happiness in to getting God. And hence Jagadguru Tukavraya tell us the first way to get God, that you have to sing a song of that God by emotional heart and pure mind in Abhanga's first charan.
भावे गावे गीत, 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 भावे गावे गीत. शुद्ध करो निया चित्त, शुद्ध वावा हे देव.
भावे गावे गीत शुद्ध करोन या चित्त तुझं व्हावा हे देव तरी हा सुलभ उपाव. मीन्स while speaking about the first charan of this abhanga, while speaking about the getting God, first way to getting God, Jagadguru Tukobraya tell us that you have to sing a song of God by emotional heart and pure mind. Here Jagadguru Tukobraya says that pure mind. Then what is exactly that pure mind? That pure mind means we have to remove the hexavalent. Hexavalent means shadvikar, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मद, मत्सर, अहंकार आदि षडविकार. You have to remove that hexavalent like ego, jealousy, greed, etc. etc. We have to remove that hexavalent and then we have to sing a song of God by emotional heart. And until you don't relieve that hexavalent from your mind, you can't relieve the emotion in your heart. And until you don't relieve the emotion in your heart, you can't sing a song of God by emotional heart. And until you don't sing a song by emotional heart, you can't get God. There are various proofs. Our Santa says, भाव बळे आकळे एरवी नाकळे करतळी आवळे तैसा हरी काही न लगे एक भावाची कारण तुका म्हणे आन विठोबाची लटिका तुका लटिका भावे लटिका बोले लटिका सवे भाव तैसे फळ न चले देवापाशी बळ. मीन्स जसा भाव तसा देव. इन मराठी देर इज अ सेंटेन्स इज व्हेरी फनी. अंगळ मंगळ नमस्कार तर टंगळ मंगळ आशीर्वाद. डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो. I give an example. At a time I was traveling from bus. At a day I was traveling by bus. Bus stop at a station. A newspaper man come in bus with saying newspaper, newspaper, newspaper. A person seated said to me, buy a newspaper. The person gives a coin to the newspaper man and newspaper man gives the newspaper to the person. In hurry, the bus was started. The paperman go out to the bus. At that time, the person seated said to me, start laughing loudly. I asked to that person, what happened? Then the person say, I cheated the paperman. I cheated the paperman. I say, how? The person say, I give bogus coin to the paperman. I say, very good. I say in mind, very good. Keep it up. When the bus goes some forward, at that time, the person seated said to me, the person torn the newspaper. Means, त्याने तो पेपर चुरगाळा and threw away from the window. I see the person tore the newspaper and threw it away from the window without reading. I ask, what are you doing this? Then the person say, what are you asking this now? Because I give the bogus coin to the paperman and the paperman gives me the yesterday's newspaper. Means that tit for tat. जशास तसे जसा भाव तसा देव. Scholars scribe explain here, भावेन देव कलया नरेंद्र धनेन कांता कपटेन शत्रु सत्येन मित्र कृपया च पुत्रम ज्ञानेन मोक्षम वशमानयन्ति. Means scholars scribe explain here, what are you get and how. In Marathi तुम्ही कशानं काय मिळवाल किंवा काय केल्यानं तुम्हाला काय मिळेल. They explain here, with emotion you can get God. With art you can delight king. With money you can subdue your wife. With cheating you can subdue your enemy. With true behavior you can maintain your friendship. And with theology means Brahmadhyan, you can get salvation. Salvation means moksha. The important point is that with emotion you can get God. There are various proofs. न काष्ठे विद्यते देवो न पाषाणे न मृन्मये भावे ही विद्यते देवो तस्मात् भावे ही कारणम. Means the God is not in stone, the God is not in soil, the God is not in wood. Then where is God? God is in emotion. There are various proofs. पुंडलिकाचा भावार्था गोकुळी उनी झाला येता निज प्रेम भक्ती भक्ता घ्या
देव भावाचा भुकेला 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 बाबाचा भुकेला वैकुंठ सोडोनी वैकुंठ सोडोनिया आला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला वैकुंठ सोडो वैकुंठ सोडो नियाला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला देव बाबाचा भुकेला
देव भावाचा भुकेला वैकुंठ सोडून या
भावे विना भक्ती भक्ती विना मुक्ती बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही भावे विना भक्ती भक्ती विना मुक्ती बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही बळे विना शक्ती बोलू नाही
There are various proofs. With help of that proofs, with base of that proofs, we can prove that without emotion we can't get God. And until you don't remove the hexavalent from your mind, you can't relieve the emotion in your heart. And until you don't relieve the emotion in your heart, you can't sing song of God by emotional heart and pure mind. Here, Jagadguru Tukavraya says about a song. What is the exactly type of that song? Because there are various types of song. Means, firstly, which is included in our Samveda, that is native Indian classical music. It has various types. Native Indian classical music have various types. Like Bhav Geet, Bhakti Geet, Sugam Sargit, Lavani Geet, Badbad Geet, Rashtra Geet, Sargam Geet, etc. etc. There are various types. There is a type also that's are made by me. That's a Raya Geet. You thought, Maharaj, what is this Raya Geet? Mainly, it is not made by me, but in a time of black and white movies, they regularly use a song, and in that song, they regularly use Raya, Raya, Raya. Means that they use like this. Oh Raya asa, oh Raya tasa, oh Raya amka, oh Raya damka. Means when we can listen it, we can understand immediately it is Raya Geet. It's a just joking. So don't be panic, don't be serious. But there is a type of song, bhajan. In Marathi, ईश्वराला आळवण्यासाठी केले गेलेलं गायन वादन अथवा नृत्य means bhajan. It is a definition of bhajan. When we are completing our masterpiece in music, at that time I thought it, and it is helpful me to prove my topic. Now it is bhajan, but bhajan is not possible for everyone, because to take knowledge about vocal, dancing, instrument playing, it's too hard. We have to do hard work to get knowledge about it. It is not possible for everyone and everywhere. I am not saying that you don't do this, but it is not possible for everyone and everywhere. Because I am presenting this kirtan here, I am doing this kirtan here, I need a good pakhavaj. The pakhavaj is in tune and not then get it in tune. I need a good instrument player. I need a good singer who sing in tune. I need a veena. The veena is in tune, because from 5 wires of veena, a single one is not in tune, then singer get upset and they can't perform here. And hence I need it, because no matter how great the singer or how great the kirtankar, matter is that every great singer, every great kirtankar, every artist need the good companion, and they have must need it. Take an example of very big person. A very big person from music field. We all are well known about the person. We all not. All Maharashtra are well known about that person. The person is known by a name Babuji. The person is named by a known Babuji. The person is known by name Babuji. The person is very famous. When we think about the emotional lyrics, the face of that person come in front of our eyes. Automatically, the face of that person come in front of our eyes. The name of that person is Sudhirji Phadke. Sudhirji Phadke. Do you know? Yes, you all are known by that person. We all are known about that person from when the radio is newly come in each house. Radio is newly come in each house. At that time, the Navardev, it's a Marathi word. The Navardev gets agree for the radio. Means to रुसायचा radio साठी. After that, he will get agree for the HMT company's watch. After that, the bicycle. After that, the Royal Enfield. After that, Rajdoot, Suzuki, Honda SS. Now Swift. And now he stopped to get agree for anything. Because if he get agree for anything, he will remain single for lifetime. Means in Marathi, Rusla ka Gosais. Rusla ka Gosais. And hence, some fathers of son say, Maharaj, you are always traveling. Your relationships are so best. Then find a daughter of any Warkari, any poor Warkari. Say to him, taking and giving not enough for life. Taking and giving not enough for life. If you want to give, then put it on your daughter. We don't need anything. If you want to give, then put it on your daughter. I say to that person, I say to that Warkari, put it on your daughter, but when the daughter is leaving his mother's house, then I say, remove it and take it back. They say, then why put it on the daughter? I say, you are so intelligent. Good, very good, keep it up. I am telling you that when the radio is newly come in each house, at that time we are known the person Sudhirji Phadke. He is a very big person, Sudhirji Phadke. At that time, Sudhirji Phadke was traveling by bus. And in a poor village, the bus have happened puncture. At that time, conductor said to passenger, get down from the bus. For a short while, the Sudhirji and all passengers get down from the bus. In that village, there is a terrace present. Terrace means ota. Do you know ota? Vatta. Every village have 2, 3 ota, katta. Do you know? And on that terrace, there are 2, 3 good persons are always seated. The gentlemen. And they are the womb for the village. Womb means Vardhan. They are the Vardhan for that village. They have nothing to do work. They have only a work. Discuss about the persons of village. Means, yacha techa kutalya karne. Is the work of that persons. And they have nothing to work for. Sudhirji means Bapuji exactly come there. A person see a new man come in our village. Who is he? Second one say, hey, hi, come here. Sudhirji went and go there. Second one say, where are you from? Sudhirji say, I am from Pune. Third one say, what's your name? Babuji say, Sudhirji Phadke. Third one say immediately, Phadke, from which caste? Sudhirji say, why are you coming in caste? Immediately, singing is my caste. The third one say, what? Sudhirji say, I am a singer. All the persons from terrace asking with surprise, are you singer? Where you are sing? Sudhirji say, all the Bhakti Geet, all the Bhav Geet played on radio at morning, that all are singed by me. The people say, they discuss in each other, and one of them say, then say to sing something. Sudhirji say, no, I can't sing here. They say, why? Because here is no Pakwaja, here is no Peti Master, here is no companion. How I can sing here? Then other one say, he is unknown by music. He is nothing known about the music. He is only doing performing shining here. Hanusta फुकटचं वजन आणून राहिलाय. Sudhirji say, no. Other one say, no. he is looking like a singer. Third one say, sing, sing. They say, no, here is no companion. Third one say, I can arrange all this, but don't leave him without sing. Don't leave her. Don't leave the Sudhirji without sing. At that time, old their side to a village, there be a Paipitiwal Tamashi. Do you know? Yes. And the person go and they catch a Paipitiwala, a Chipdiwala, a Dholkiwala, 2-3 singers, and they come with the companion. Sudhirji say, no. I can't perform with the companion because they sing tamasha. I sing the Bhavgit, Bhakti Git. How it is possible? First one say immediately, what I am doing, what I am saying, he is unknown by the music. He is only performing shining. Third one say, you shut up. He is looking like a singer. Fourth one say, sing something. Now, there is a man in Marathi, Adla Hari, Gadvache Paidari. Means, now, Sudhirji say, ask to that person, what sing? Kai manu? The one people may say, sing something about God. Sudhirji started at that time, emotional lyric Bhavgit of Sudhirji is very famous. They started the Bhavgit. Brahma Vishnu Ani Maheshwara. Brahma Vishnu Ani Maheshwara. Samori Basale Malate Datta Guru Disale. Malate Datta Guru Disale. And now, like me, when I sing before some time, I sing here in forward, then the singers sing backward. Like that, when Sudhirji sing forward, then they say towards the companion to sing backward. They say like this. The companion start taking immediately. Yala gabai, Datta Guru Disale. Babyala bai, Datta Guru Disale. Baudyala bai, Datta Guru Disale. Dadang dang dang dadang dang dang dang. What they see? What they see? They see nothing. Yes, it is bhajan, but it has also some rules. It has some also rules. Then Jagadguru Tukarai said here about a song. Then what is exactly type of that song? That type of song is Nama Sankirtana. Jagadguru Tukarai tell here about the Nama Sankirtana.
Babaji apule sangitale nama. Babaji apule sangitale nama. Babaji apule sangitale nama. Babaji apule sangitale nama. Mantra dila Rama Krishnari. Mantra dila Rama Krishnari. Krishnari Krishnari. Hari mukhe mana 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 Hari mukhe mana.
The type of song is Nama Sankirtana. There are various groups. Ugada mantra dana, Ramakrishna Hari Mana, Ramakrishna Giti Gat, टाळ चिपळ्या वाजवित छंदे आपुलिया नाचत निज घेऊन फिरत गा. Means it is a namaswaran and it is only a tool in Kali Yuga to get the God, because the scholars scribe explain at a place Kritayadhyayato Vishnu त्रेतायाम यजतो मखै द्वापारे परिचल्यानाम कलौ तदा हरि कीर्तनात्. मीन्स इन कृतयुग देर इज कृतयध्यायतो ध्यान, इन त्रेता युग देर इज पाठ पूजा, इन द्वापर युग देर इज योग, and in Kali Yuga there is Namasmaran. There are various proof. In base of that proof we have proved that in Kali Yuga there is only a tool to get the God. There Tukobarai said at a place, Kali Yuga माझी करावे कीर्तन तेने नारायण देईल भेटी. Also in Tulsi Ramayana, Tulsidas Ji Maharaj said with the help of 4 chaupais that 4 eras have 4 tools, and in 5th chaupai Tulsidas Ji Maharaj said that without Namasmaran you can't get God. Tulsidas Ji Maharaj said that
कृत जुग सब जो हरि ध्यान न रही भव जानी. कृत जुग सब योगी विज्ञानी हरि हरि ध्यान न रही भव प्राणी. त्रेता विविध यज्ञ न करई प्रभु समर्पी कर्म भव तरई. द्वापर करी रघुपति पद पूजा नर भव तरई उपाय न दूजा. कलियुग केवल हरि गुण गाव नर पावती भवदान. कलिकालन साधन दूजा जोग यज्ञ जप तप व्रत पूजा. राम सिया राम सिया राम जय राम. राम सिया राम जय जय राम. राम सिया राम जय जय राम. राम सिया राम जय जय राम.
with help of that chaupayas we can prove it. Without Nama Sankirtana we can't ever get God. There are also various pramanas. Nama parate sadhana nahi jetu karisi anika kai. There are various proofs. With help of that proofs we can prove that without Nama Sankirtana we can't ever get God. And hence Jagadguru Tukarai said about the first way, if you want God then you have to sing that song which Nama Sankirtana Rupi song with emotional heart and pure mind. Now a person asked to Tukaram Maharaj, Tukaram, why are you telling this to us? Then Tukaram gives the answer in Avanga's second charan.
तुझा वावा ए देवा देवा. 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 वावा ए देवा देवा. तुझा वावा ए देवा. तरी सुलभ उपाव तरी सुलभ उपाव. तुझा वावा ए देवा तुझा वावा ए देवा. तुझा वावा ए देवा देवा. तुझा वावा ए देवा
कुमाई
विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा रखुमाई जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय 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 विठोबा रखुमाई हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई जय 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 विठोबा रखुमाई हरि विठोबा रखुमाई हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई हरि जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई 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 विठोबा रखुमाई.
Now we have no enough time. We can simply take the simple meaning. While saying about the third way to get God, Jagadguru Tukamaraya says that you have to avoid the entries of good points, good things and bad points of other person in your mind. Now you can thought Maharaj, you say avoid the bad points, entries of faults of other person. Is it? It is true. But why good points, good things to avoid? Because at a place Jagadguru Tukamaraya says that Eka manata bhale tujhe sahajaji nindile, means when we say a good to anyone, that is unexpectedly we say bad to other person. Means here is two singers are present. When I say Aditya Maharaj is good singer, then indirectly I said what? Vaibhav Maharaj is bad singer. When I say Vaibhav Maharaj is very good singer, then unexpectedly, indirectly I say that Aditya Maharaj is bad singer. Here not it is present, it's not condition of here, but when I say good to anyone, indirectly I say bad to other one. And hence we have to avoid the entries of faults, bad points, also good points, good things of other person in your mind and in our mind, and it is the third way to get God. It is the second way to get God in Abhanga's third charan.
Ani kanje kani, 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 ani kanje kani.
आणि कांचे कानी गुण दोष मना नानी तुझं व्हावा हे देव तरी हा सुलभ उपाव. While saying about the third way to get God in Avanga's fourth stanza, Jagadguru Tukobarai says that Mastaka Tengana Kari Santachi Acharna means you have to put your head on the foot of all this Santa. Why? Because in your daily life you can see judge, lawyer and court, criminals. You all seen that. But I give an example. The word is a court. The word is a court. The Santa is a lawyer. We are criminals and the God is a Nyadish. Means when in our daily life, when we have to go near to the judge, then we have to take the help of lawyer. Like that, when we have to go near to the God, then we have to take the help of Santa. Because Santa is lawyer, the word is court and the God is judge of that court and we are criminals. Hence, when we have to go near to the judge, near to the God, then we have to take the help of lawyer, take the help of Santa. Like that, Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Who is the connector between Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? Correct? Rajyapal. Like that, the connector between Jiv and Shiv is Santa. And hence, we have to put your head on the foot of all these sons. It is the third way to get God in Avanga's fourth charan.
Mastaka Tengana
Vachana Tene Rahi Samadhana means it is a fourth way to get God in Avanga's fifth charan. And while saying about the last way, fifth way to get God, Jagadguru Tukobarai says that in your life, in your whole life, even you don't do much more philanthropy. Philanthropy means upakar, but do a little one. As your possibility, do little one philanthropy. Means for a Gurukul, for a Goshala, for a Ruddhashram, donate as your possibility. Donate a bag of wheat, donate a bag of jowar, donate a bag of bajra, etc., etc., vegetables, etc., etc. Donate as your possibility. And even if you don't do much more philanthropy, means jasta dari nahi, but do a little one, thoda tari kara. And hence, it is the fifth way to get God. Jagadguru Tukobarai explain in Avanga's last charan, Avanga's sixth charan.
Tukamane par, 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 थोड़ा तरी पर उपकार, थोड़ा तरी पर उपकार, पर उपकार तुझा वावा हे देव, तुझा वावा हे देव, तुझा वावा हे देव. थोडा तरी पर उपकार, थोडा तरी पर उपकार तुझा वावा हे देव, तुझा वावा हे
ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली
ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली ज्ञानराज माऊली तुकाराम.
I give full stop to this service and I put this service on the foot of my Guruvarya Haribhakta Parayan Navnathji Maharaj Maske, Guruvarya Haribhakta Parayan Bhagwanji Maharaj Damade, who are the founder and the president of this society. Also, this seva I put on the foot of my parents, my grandmother, my grandfather and all of the listeners, which is the thoughts that are the thoughts of my and which is good is the Krupa Prasad of Sant. And hence take it. It is very useful for your life. I am give push stop to this Kirtan service. विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल
जय जय विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय 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 विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल बोले जय जय बोले मेरी वाकुली